The sea deep color composition is a palette that draws its inspiration from the depths of the sea. This color scheme captures the mystique and allure of the ocean, providing a sense of tranquility and depth. The primary color in this palette is a deep navy blue, which represents the dark, mysterious depths of the sea. This color imparts a feeling of sophistication and strength, evoking the powerful currents that lie beneath the ocean's calm surface. Next, the color palette introduces light blue, symbolizing the surface of the sea. This lighter hue introduces contrast in the color scheme, representing the sea's surface, lighter due to the sun's reflection. It brings a sense of calm and tranquility to the palette, providing a balance to the deep navy blue. Finally, an accent of emerald green is introduced to add brightness and contrast. This color captures the vibrancy of marine life and represents the richness of the ocean. Emerald green serves as the highlight of this color scheme, making everything more lively and dynamic. Thus, the sea deep color composition encompasses a spectrum of hues that beautifully encapsulate the essence of the sea, from its deepest depths to its shimmering surface. It's a color scheme that's soothing yet dynamic, evoking a sense of tranquility and depth. Remember, the key to using a color composition like sea deep is to keep the balance in mind: deep navy for depth and stability, light blue for calmness, and emerald green as the contrasting brightness. Happy crocheting!